Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's June the 12th, 2022. We're going to talk about gold and why now may be the time to come in and participate in this commodity, because there's so much fear going on in the stock market, in the bond market, everywhere else across the globe with supply chain constraints and inflation and CPI, and everything looks so dreary and dead and fearful and scary that the market is running. Where's the money going? Well, it looks like it may be going to gold. I'm going to show you all that by looking at a price chart and give you all the updated price prediction for this commodity. So welcome everyone to my channel. This is what I do. I do the price prediction without the confuse. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit the like button. Instead of it, also subscribe to the channel. Also tap the bell notification as well, because I do not want you all to miss out on any of my content, any of my videos, because we're one of the first ones to know where prices are going to go. That's how you're able to win, for real. This is how you're able to win and profit from the market, is already anticipating where prices are going to go. So go ahead and hit those buttons before you leave. Now, I did a video in gold on May the 2nd. That was the last video that I've done. Okay. And you guys can see that I've had this weakness on the chart for gold all the way back since February the 25th, 2022. I was looking for the price in gold to go down that whole time. This whole year so far, I was looking for a price in gold to go down. Now, initially, you guys can see that market went up. Cool. I told everyone on my follow-on video for gold that that's cool, but I'm still looking for the price to go down. You guys can actually see that it came to fruition right here. So the market on May the 16th, 5.4%. We got it. We was already in position since February, looking for the market to come around $1,800, right? Look at that. It's pretty much where the market stopped falling right there. So we pretty much grabbed it, and then the market started going back up. Isn't that amazing? How could you do that? It's simple, because the market always gives us information that we should know and be paying attention to, so we know when to get in and when to get out these plays. Done. Over. Congratulations. Now let's talk, because seemingly the market is fleeing the stocks, is fleeing bonds, but money also goes somewhere else, right? It just doesn't vanish. The market always finds the next opportunity. So where do you think the next opportunity is? While stocks are collapsing, bonds are cratering, real estate is insane with interest rates going up, where do you think the money's going now? For real. Is it going in gold? Yeah, that's one area. It is also going in the dollar. Look at that. This is the dollar. The dollar is massively strong right now. So what does this mean? Well, it means that more people are holding cash. It means that they're holding the strongest fiat currency available today, which is the dollar. We've seen this market, the dollar, trade at $104. When was the last time we was up here? That was back in March of 2020 when the pandemic started, right? The last time before then was 2016. We are hitting a triple top into the market in the dollar. So we know that money is coming into the dollar. Cash. That's one area that the money is going towards. The second area, I'm going to hit it back up, is gold. Okay. This is the second level that people are trying to come in and accumulate this market in gold. So seeing if that's the case, we're pretty much going to play the bullishness into the market in gold. As long as this economic uncertainty continues with inflation, with interest rates, with the influx of supply constraints, all of that is going to play on where money's going to go. All right. Now, you guys can see that gold hasn't been reactionary, at least negatively, to the situations going on. It's pretty much been maintaining its stability. That lets you know that people are coming into the market in gold. They're trying to find this as a safe haven. The money don't lie. The price chart is not lying to us. If the market wasn't viable in gold, then the price would have been doing this, right? We would have been seeing it fall down if the market wasn't buying it. But that's not what we're seeing currently, is it? No, we're not. So let's look at this on a weekly in the market in gold because I actually like where the market bounced, right around that $1,800 price. That is going to be our basis. Okay, that's going to be our basis. So let me go ahead and clean this up because I want us to pay attention to how the market in gold really is trading. So let me I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Like 1750. Now, I want you all to see this. Do you see all of this volume that's been coming into the market in gold? Like, look at that. This is massive. We haven't seen this market volume come in gold ever. This is very climactic. Something is going on into the market in gold. All the while, we're seeing it trade at these highs, right? We haven't seen gold trade as high as $1,800, $1,900, $2,000 ever. The last time we've seen it was back during the pandemic. And the market is still hovering at these high levels with all of this volume. Somebody is definitely doing some accumulating. Look at this on the weekly. Let me zoom in a little bit closer. Okay, because what we're noticing here on the weekly time frame is that the market in gold is consolidating as well. Now, this weekly chart, this is what I like. It's because on the week right here, the week of May the 16th, 2022, even last week, June the 6th, 2022, we were able to see selling mixed in with buying. Those two weekly price bars, we did see price fall, right? But at the conclusion, the market closed at the high of the bar. And look at this last one right here. These two weekly price bars here was a mixed bag. There was a lot of selling going on these two weekly price bars that the arrows pointed up to. But then on this one, we were able to actually see it close at the high of the bar. So it lets us know that there's a little bit more strength in the market in gold. It's just that simple. Now, should we be massively bullish into the market in gold? No, I'm not saying that. But for us to actually see stability, for us to actually see even amidst all of the selling, the market is still trying to go up, we kind of got an idea. Cool. This is what they want to do. They want to lift price in gold, and we are going to participate right alongside with them. So let me go ahead and drop this on the chart real quick. We're going to play the strength into the market in gold. Now we got a basis. This is my support area. As long as the market in gold holds 1750, we're going to look for price to continue to trend higher. Now, at what point should we come in and take some profitability? I got you right here. This is the first area. Okay. Right there around 1915 or 1920, $1,920, 2.41%. That's the first price target. My second one's up here around 1960. Okay. Third, it's back up around 2000. Now, it might fall a little bit short than 2000, but that's it, right around there. It's just that simple. The market is giving us information for us to digest, for us to placate, for us to utilize to our benefit. And it's trying to do that. Okay. That's where we at. So let me go ahead and keep that there. Gonna play the strength into the market in gold. Now I want to know, how high do you think gold is about to go as we trade throughout the month of July and August? Tell me and let everyone know with a comment in the comment section. All right, I'm done. This is how simple this game is meant to be played. There's nothing harder than that. Just pay attention to the money. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.